see your face, but it's okay.
I can put this up, I think.
Yeah, but he's got his mask on.
I don't want to break it.
So on the side there's a little tab right here. If you pull it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That's all it is.
Oh, right, all right. I got it.
So how do you know Jake?
Oh, yeah, so, he's...
Or Led, I should say. You guys know him as Led.
I mean, he's taken me to the gun range twice, so now it's Led is like
Oh,
in my
yeah.
mind.
That's funny.
But he's, so he is, I know him through my stepmom Mallory.
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
Your stepmom, Mallory? Okay. Yeah, he's, they're friends. Let's just...
He's a stand-up guy.
He is a stand-up guy. And that's saying something coming from a British person.
Right? You tell me. Because he keeps himself to himself. No, he's
a great guy. We actually went to university together.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, well, it's funny. We didn't have any classes together, but every time I would drive, I would see his Subaru parked there.
Right,
and I was like, I'm like, who is this guy? And then I came to an event and I saw his car, and then the rest is history.
Sure. Where did he go to university?
This is a local university here, Montclair State University. It's like ranked like number 2 or 3 in New Jersey in the state. It's a good university.
Yeah. He's a clever guy.
Yeah, right? It's
like a Model T.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's funny, people look at this, they don't know what to expect.
Yeah.
They see the little stickers of the houses. They see the silly big picnic table in the back.
Yeah, where did the horn come from?
I bought it from a local auto parts store and wired it into the car. It was just like a $10 horn. You know, they sell like those cheap things, right?
Yeah. That's hilarious. Wow, there's nothing for me to hold on to in here.
Hold on to yourself.
That's the idea.
Like this. Put your hand into. You had gone out a couple times, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.